Okay, my name's John Paul Burnett. I own a business called Burnett, and we supply, we're cost lawyers, so we supply legal cost services for a number of different firms of solicitors across the country. I've been doing it for 20 years, but we've just gone into business together with my business partner Lee Carter, who's also on the Ignition course. What I found really helpful about the course is meeting other people who are like-minded, a lot of positivity, and it's also looking at how you can grow your business. Future-proofing your business has been really key. Looking at your 3 to 5 year plan, making sure that you look at what the market is going to do for the next few years and making sure you've got plans to deal with that. And also just meeting like-minded people who are in similar situations. I find that it's been really, really helpful, and I've come away from it feeling really, really positive, and that we could do anything with our business if we put our minds to it.